Hey guys, what's up? It's Shaniiee Renee and welcome back to my channel. This is going to be a go to daddy. This is going to be a quick Target haul because we just not too long ago came back from Target. I want to show you guys this first because this is humongous. This is the 4 cube organizer and we just got this because we were thinking about switching out Jackson's toy bins that he has, so we just figured this would be a lot neater to store his toys. And he's in the room because he's crying for me, so I just decided to film with him in the room today. Don't play with that vase. Do not. Hello. Hey. Hello. Don't play with that. Thank you. This is something else that we picked up at Target. This is the Bounty napkins. We just needed some napkins. So next we just picked up 4 of these room essential storage bins, and these are the 11-inch storage bins. We picked 2 up in red and 2 in blue. Hopefully that looks nice. We're planning on putting it all together tonight when he goes to sleep. Jackson, do not draw on that table, baby. Okay, so we always try to pick him something up and his sister something up. So I'm gonna insert a clip of what we got for him. It was just a Mickey Mouse Clubhouse set because he's been into Mickey Mouse. Excuse me, this is for your sister. This we picked up for Jazz, and this is just the baby spin, rattle, and roll little toy. And I'm going to disinfect this and give this to her. This is for Jazzy. This is for Jazzy, okay? Okay, so moving on to the self-care items. We picked up a ton of self-care items because we were running out and we figured might as well pick them up since we originally just went for the toy organizer, but we decided to pick everything else up as well. So I just wanted to start off with this. I picked this up. This is just the Summer's Eve Delicate Blossom Cleansing Wash. This is a feminine wash. If you don't know about it, find out about it. Okay. Then I picked this up, which is the Pan Oxal Acne Foaming Face Wash. And well, it's not just for your face, it's a face, chest, and back wash, and it says it's a deep cleaning wash. I saw a girl on YouTube use this and I was very curious about it because I've been breaking out lately, so I was like, why not? And yeah, I'll let you guys know how this works out. Then I picked up this Simply bar soap, and this is the cold pressed lemon sugar. It's by the brand Raw Sugar, and I've been seeing this a lot at Target. I love watching Aaliyah's face, and I seen that she was using this and she said that it smelled really good, and I trust her judgment because I love her. Okay. Ooh, I want to smell it first. Ooh, it does smell really good. It smells like really lemony. I'm gonna put this all back in the bag. Okay, moving on to the last bag of items. I picked up, trying not to be too noisy, I picked up this Intuition shaver, and this is just the Intuition Sensitive Care. This is the shaver that you don't need any shaving gel with. I bought a pack of shavers and they've been slicing up my legs and that don't feel good. So I said, let me just pick this up, and it just has the shaver itself, and then it has 2 of these what do you call this, skin moisturizing solid razor cartridges. So it comes with the cartridges and it has 4 blades. These are really good. They don't cut me at all. These are really, really good. I recommend those. Jason needed some deodorant, so he picked up this Old Spice Pure Sport High Endurance. And yeah, I don't know much about this, but he picked this up. It's a value pack. Green. I clean every morning. I disinfect the house, so I've used up all of our Pledge. And this is just the Pledge Beautify It Lemon Enhancing Polish. I like to spray the wooden furniture with that and wipe it down. Then I picked up this Tom's Long Lasting Deodorant. I've been searching for an aluminum free all natural deodorant for a long time, and I have yet to find one that doesn't make me smell musty. So hopefully I try this one and it works. I picked it up in the scent Wild Lavender. I didn't even smell it because I was wearing, oh, I like that smell. I love the smell of lavender. Then we needed some Mr. Clean. Every time that we go to Target, we wind up picking up a bottle of this because it is antibacterial and it kills 99.9% of germs. It just, there's nothing to it. It's Mr. Clean. You can mix this with a little water and mop the floors, or you can mix it with water and spray, use it as like a spray cleaner, and there's just so many things that you can do with this. I clean with this as well every morning. I put some in a spray bottle and I filled up half with hot water, and I spray the floor, and then I Swiffer, like the wet jet, the Swiffer wet jet. That's how I clean the floors every morning, and that works for me. So the very last item that we picked up from Target is this Dial Lavender and Jasmine Hydrating Body Wash. I do not use, well, I use these sometimes, but Jason mostly likes the Dial products. Let me smell. Ooh, it smells good. It smells really good. Listen, Dial. Oh, okay. So it's moisturizing conditions, gentle cleanser, free from parabens, phthalates, and silicones. Who knew? I didn't know Dial was free of all those things. Those are pretty good. That's pretty good. So yeah, nothing to it, just some body wash. That looks like that's everything that we bought in Target. It seems like a little bit of stuff, and it came up to like $200. I'm gonna check the receipt just to make sure that everything was the correct price. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you guys like these types of videos. I know I've been putting out a lot of hauls lately, and I feel like I love watching hauls. That's why I've been putting them out. If you guys like these types of videos, please let me know down below. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.